Hi everyone. Today I am going to say some short tricks for multiplication. Okay. So my dear all of you, listen carefully. Mathematics is one of the easiest subject in the universe. Most of them are considered as it is a difficult subject. We can't multiply or some problems we cannot solve. But this mathematics is shortly known as maths. We are calling mathematics as shortly maths. So please remember all of you, don't get fear. Mathematics is one of the easiest subject in the universe. I will tell today the most important short tricks how to multiply and all. It will help you in your future, or it will help you in 10th standard PU or high school level degree, and in the most of the competitive exam it is going to be helpful. So at last, up to last this video if you watch, it will be helpful for you. So first I will say you one example. Okay, so some examples we will take. So how to multiply 87 into 31. Okay, out of these two we have to consider one reference number. You can consider this as a reference number. Okay, so what is given here? It is 87, here it is 31. So what is here? Two digit number, so it is a 3, it is 1. So 87 you have considered na, so 3 times you write 87. So I will write here 87, here I will write 87, here I will write 87. So 3 times I have written. Next, what is the digit here? 1 is there. So 87 should be written once. So that to be, you have to go right hand side. Here two digit you have written like this. So you have to write here like this. So one digit this side. If another one more number is there, you go this side, right side you have to write. So just you have to write like this. This 7 is nothing but here it is 7. So 7 plus 7, 14, 14 plus 7, 21, 21 plus 8, 29. So 9 will be here 2. So 8 plus 8 plus 8, it is 24, 24 plus 2, it is 26. So the answer will be here 2697 will be the answer. Any two digit number or any three digit number you can take, you will get the answer. So one more example I will take. So 12 into 13. So how to multiply this one? Okay, as we know 12 into 30 is 156, but you can write like this. You can consider any one of the reference number here. So 12 I will write one time here. 12 I will write once here. So this number I will take as a reference number here 13. So once I have written here 12. So next 3 times you have to write here 12, 12, 12. So next digit, one digit you have to leave left hand side and you have to write like this. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 6. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 is 5, and this will be 1. So here 12 into 13 is 156. Like that you can take any number. Okay, or one more I will take. Okay, so for example if you take here one example I will take here, that is 12 into 13. So in the examination options will be there: 136, 146, C 156, D, that is 166. So how to multiply this one? You can multiply like this, or you can say, see here 1 plus 2 is here, 1 plus 2 is, it is 3, 1 plus 3 is 1 plus 3 is 4. So 3 into 4 is, 3 into 4 is, you got what here? 12. Now you can say here, now 1 plus 3 plus 6 is, 1 plus 3 plus 6 is 10. Next here 1 plus 4 plus 6 is equal to 11. Here it will be 1 plus 5 plus 6 is equal to 12. Here it will be 1 plus 6 plus 6 is equal to 13. So here it is 12. So you can say here also it is 12. So answer is 156. Here by multiplying like this also you can go. Okay, so one more example I will take, so that you will get the idea. An example 3 digit I will take, 142 into 261. I can say, you can repeat 132, 142 or 261 as a reference number you can take and you can add. Okay, so now here the options are 37062, B 37052, C 37042, D, option D 37032. So these are the option. So now here 1 plus 4 plus 2 is 7, so you can write here 7. 2 plus 6 plus 1 is 9, so 7 into 9 is 63. Again this can be written as 6 plus 3 is 9. Okay, so you can write here 3 plus 7 plus 0 plus 6 plus 2 is nothing but what? 7 plus 3 10 plus 6 16 plus 2 18, 1 plus 8, again this implies 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. Okay, so if you see here also you can take 3 plus 7 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 2 17, so this can be written as 1 plus 7 which is equal to 8. Here 10 plus 14 16, so this will be 16, that will be 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. Here it will be 10 13 15, so it will be 15, so it is 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. So here it is you got 9, so here it is 9, so other numbers are you are not getting 9, so this will be the answer. Like that you can see. Okay, now same numbers ending with 5, that we will say. See how amazing it is. Mathematics is one of the easiest subject. If you understand this one, you are the master or you are the king of the subject here. Okay, so now same numbers ending with 5 we will learn. So that is 75 into 75. I will write here 75 into 75. So written here last digit which are ending with 5, for that only it will be applicable. So 5 into 5, at last it will be 25. Here it is 7. The next digit of 7 is 8. Next digit of 7 is 8. So 7 into 8 is what? 56. So that I will write here 56. So 5625 is the answer. Okay, next one I will take 105 into 105. So last digit is 55, so last will be 25. 5 into 5 is 25. So here it is 10. The next digit of 10 is 11, so 10 into 11 is 110. So this is the answer, 11025. So next you can take 85 into 85. So both the numbers are ending with 5, so same numbers will be there. You should not take different numbers. So here will be 25. 8 is there. Next number of 8 is 9. So 8 9s are 72. So 7225 is the answer. Similar 125 into 125 we can take. So here it will be 55 with ending. So last will be 25. Here it is 12. So next digit of 12 is 13. So 12 into 13 is 156. That is the answer, 15625. Okay. Now multiplication of numbers which are nearer to 100, that we will take. So 98 is nearer to 100, 97 is nearer to 100. Okay, so now make 100 minus 98 is what? 2. 100 minus 97 is what? 3. What is 2 into 3? 2 into 3 is 6. So it is single digit, so I can write 06. So 98 into 97 you can write at last 06. If it is single digit you have to write here 0, otherwise you can write 2 digit number. If it is 3 also you have to write 2 digit. Okay, so now what happens here? 97 minus 2 is like cross multiplication you have to do. Cross, not multiplication, cross. 97 into minus 2, subtract you have to do. 97 minus 2, 95. 98 minus 3, 95. So that 95 you have to write. Either you subtract this from this or this from this, anyone you can take, cross. Okay, so 9506 is the answer. So one more I will take, one more example. 92 into 96. What is the 100 minus 92? 8. 100 minus 96 is 4. So 8 into 4, that is I will write here 32. At last I will write what I will write here 32. Okay, so now 92 minus 4, what is that? 88. 96 minus 8, 88. So 8832 will be the answer. Okay, so next one more example I will take. So these are less than 100. Now I will take more than 100. So 102 into 104 I will take. So what is the 100 plus 2? What is the difference here? Above 100, 2. Here it will be 100 plus 4 is 104. So I will write here 4. 2 into 4, 8. So you can write 8 means here you can take 08. Next, here it is 102. It is above 100. So 102 plus 4 is 106. 104 plus 2 is 106. So here 10608 is the answer. Like that you can take. Okay. So for the above 100 you have to add in cross. Like this you can add or like this you can add. Here you have to subtract like this or like this. Cross you have to subtract. So one more example I will take. 112 into 113 I will take, so that you will get the idea. So now what is the difference here? 12. What is the difference above 100? It is 13. So 12 into 13, as we know, 156. So 156 is there. So last two digit you have to write here. Here you will write 56. So next one you have to carry here. Now next 112 plus 13 or 113 plus 12, that is 25. 112 plus 13 is 125, carry 1, that is 126. So 126 56. So 12656 is the answer here. So I hope you are understanding. See how amazing it is. Other few multiplication examples I will give, that is 48 into 52. Okay, so here 48 52 is there. In between here it is, which is near number, here it is 50. Okay, you can take 50, so you can write here 50 square. So now these two you take. So 50 plus 2, what is the difference? 52 minus 52. So you can write here 2 square. So it is a square minus b square formula. You can take like this: a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. That also you can take. Okay, so you can multiply very easily. 50 square means here it is last will be 00. So it will be 5 into 5 is 25. So minus 4. So this will be what? 2496 is the answer. Okay, so similarly one more example I will take: 63 into 67. So that will be what here, which is the middle here. 65 is the middle here. Okay, so here you can take here. So what is 65? 65 square you can write, minus what is the difference of these two? Here 2, so 2 square. So 65, you know, when it is ending with 5, you know, in the first trick you have solved. In second trick, same numbers ending with 5. Okay, so there you can see here 5 5s are 25. 6 is there, next digit of 6 is 7. So 6 7s are 42. So 4225 minus 4. So 4225 minus 4 is 4221 is the answer. Okay, one more you can take like this example you can take now. So 75 into 85 also you can take. So here it is 80, in between here it will be 80. So it will be 80 square minus what is the difference of these two? 5 square you can write. So here it will be 8 is the 64, 00 it will be there, minus 25. So this will be what? 6,375 will be the answer. Okay, similarly you can take 51 into 59. So what is the middle one? Here it is 55 is middle. So in these two you have to take what is the difference here. So it will be 55 square minus 4 square. So it will be what? 5 5s are 25 here. 5 next digit is 6. So 5 6 are 30 here. 3025 minus 4 square is 16. So here you can write what is this? 3025 minus 16 is 3009. So 16 plus 9 is this one. You can, so you can multiply like this when whatever you are taking the middle number, it should end with 5 or it should end with 0. Okay, 5 here, 5 here, it is ending with 0. In this case only you can solve directly here. Okay, so I hope you have understood this one. So now when the number is multiplied by 11, okay, when the number is multiplied by 11, for example 132 into 11. So first digit, last digit, first digit, last digit, as it is you keep 1, here 2. 1 neighboring digits you have to add. 1 plus 3 4, 3 plus 2 5. So 1452 is the answer. Okay, now for example if you take 1 2 3 into 11. So first digit, last digit, first as it is you keep 1 plus 2 3, 2 plus 3 5, last digit as it is you have to write. Okay, now one more I will take 31 into 11. So now also here you can take 3 as it is, 3 plus 1 4, 1 as it is. So 341 is the answer. You can take 143 into 11 you can take. Okay, so this is separate example, this is separate example, this is separate example, this is 143 into 11. So 1 as it is, 1 plus 4 5, 4 plus 3 7, at last 3 as it is you have to keep. So 1573 is the answer. So one more you can take, one more example, 153 into 11. So this will be also first digit as it is, 1 plus 5 6, 5 plus 3 that is 8. So this will be 3 as it is. So 1683. So 1 as it is, 1 plus 5 6, 5 plus 3, 8, and here it will be 3. So this is the answer. So my dear, see here, listen, I love numbers, I teach numbers. Okay, this is how we have to solve the multiplication. When the number is given and it is multiplied by 11, we have to solve like this. Next we will see for square root. Okay, a few example I will take. So first one I will take here, root of 4225. So before solving this one, you have to make like this. Okay, two digit. Okay, when 4 digit is given, two digit. So it is ending with 5, so you have to write here 5. Now 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36, 7 square is 49. So next two digit, it is bigger than 36 and lesser than 49, means you have to take what, lesser one. So what is that here, 6. So 65 into 65 will be, that is the square root of 4225, so it will be 65. Okay, the smaller one you have to take here. So one more example I will take so that you will get the idea. So when the number is ending with 5, so here also you will get ending with 5 only. So now you will take one more example, 4761. So it is ending, you make two digit like that. So it is ending with 1, means either it should end with 1 or whatever you are getting number, it should end with 9, because 1 into 1 is 1, 9 nines are 81, so it is ending with 1. So 1 or 9, that we don't know. So here it is 47. Okay, now you take 47, here it is, here 5 square is there, 25, and 6 square is there, 36, 7 square is there, 49. So 6 square, which is smaller here, 6 square is smaller, that is 36. 49 it will be bigger, so smaller one you have to take. So it will be what, 6. So 6 next digit is what, 7. So 6 into 7 is 42. So 42 is smaller or bigger than 47. So it is smaller. If it is smaller, you have to take here, what you have to take here, it is ending with, means 42 means what, which digit you have to take, 9 or 1. It is smaller. If it is smaller, here you have to take bigger, so it will be 9. Okay, if it is smaller, you have to take bigger. If it is bigger, you have to take smaller. So if 42 is there instead of this smaller one, like this, for example, for 41 is there here. Okay, then you can take here 1, but here it is smaller, this is bigger. So if this is bigger than this, then you have to take bigger one. Okay, like that you have to remember. Next, one more example I will take here. So root of 2916. So make two digit here. If you make two digit here, what happens? So it is ending with 6. If it is ending with 6, the unit digit will be 4 or 6. Unit digit will be 4 or 6. So we don't know which digit it will come. So now you will write here, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36. So here 29 is there. So 29, which one is smaller here? 25 is smaller. So you have to take what? 5 you have to take here. Now what is the next digit of 5? 6. So 5 into 6 is 30. So 30 is bigger or smaller here? It is bigger. If it is bigger, you have to take what here? Smaller. In this two, you have to take smaller. So here it is 30. Out of these two, 30 is bigger, so I have taken smaller one. Suppose 30 is smaller than this. Suppose 30 is smaller than this, or this number is greater than 30, then you have to take the bigger number here. So I hope you have understood. So this is how amazing tricks in mathematics. So please, mathematics is one of the easiest subject in the universe. So please give interest so that you are the master of the mathematics. Okay, thank you.